Hey team, in this video we will be analyzing and forecasting the market for gold from a technical and fundamental perspective for 30 September and 1st October. So let's begin. As always, we are on 1 hourly chart, and here let me show you. Here we were yesterday some around 18, some around 1882 we have given a signal to go long on this particular support trend line which we have analyzed. Thus our first take profit or the final take profit was of this resistance zone, which is in range of some around 1897, and we, by the grace of the god, we hit our take profits. Then after hitting our take profits, we were expecting some bearish momentum entering the market or a higher high momentum. However, we didn't see that the market did closed above the resistance zone of some around 1898, and we did see a bearish momentum entering in the market as expected, and we have seen a fall in market of the gold some around 15 points, some around 1898 till some around 1880. Now coming on today's, what are the technical patterns which we are seeing? First, coming on the fundamentals, we are expecting a downwards momentum entering in the stock market, and we are seeing uncertainty due to the first debate between Trump and Joe Biden, which means or which have highlighted that we can further see advancement in the market either by retesting this support and fueling up, or we can see an higher high momentum. Moreover, we are having non-farm payroll which would significantly impact the market. Now let me remove my drawings, then redraw them. Now this would be the particular resistance, and do watch the video till the end, and if you haven't subscribed, so do consider subscribing, as I upload the daily forecast and the weekly forecast exclusive for the gold. This would be the resistance, and also do subscribe to support me, as 60% of the people watching my video aren't subscribed. Only 40% are subscribed, so do consider subscribing. So this would be our particular support zone, and in range of some around 1876 till some around 1873, and our support zone would be in range of 1876 till 1873, and our resistance zone would be in range of 1899 till some around 1897. Now coming on why we have taken this resistance here, going into the past, here we can significantly highlight that first, second, third and fourth time we did see a retest towards this particular resistance zone, thus making it a major resistance zone. Now coming on the support zone, which is in range of some around 1876 till some around 1873, we have seen the market taking support on the support zone some around on 23 September. Then on 24 September we did see that the market was taking resistance. Then again on 25th September we did see that the market taking resistance, and currently on 28 September we have seen a breakthrough above, making the momentum in the gold higher high. Now if we can also spot a divergence on a 1 hourly chart, which is the market is making higher low. Let me change its color to red so it's easy to analyze or identify. The market is making an higher low wherever, however, the indicator is making an lower low. So we are currently experiencing an hidden bullish divergence. According to the theory of hidden bullish divergence, we can expect a continuation of momentum and bullish momentum, or the momentum which we have seen in the past, and the past momentum was bullish. However, we did see some correction as told in my previous forecast. Do watch the video for more confirming that. And then we can now expect another bullish wave breaking this particular resistance zone. Now here on an hourly chart we can spot a descending channel. This would be the resistance of this descending channel. Let me make that an end zone so we do not caught up any fake breakouts. And this would be the particular support of this descending channel, some around 1995 till some around 1867. So this would be the great aspect for our trade or the trading opportunities or the signals which we would be seeing today, is that if we see that the market did close above this particular resistance zone, we would be potentially looking for going long. If we see a close above this particular resistance zone, let me change its color to this. So if we see a close above this particular resistance zone, some around 1888, that would be a great opportunity to go long, be an aggressive trader, or we could wait for the market to retest towards some around 1886, and then we can trigger our long position with our take profit of this particular resistance zone. Thus our take profit, our entry trigger point would be somewhere around in middle of 1887. Do keep in mind we would only and only be taking our long position if we see a close above this particular resistance zone, whether on an 4-hourly chart or an 1-day chart, with our stop losses would be placed just below the resistance zone, some around 1884, with our take profit with our stop losses just placed below the resistance zone, some around 1882, with our take profit of this particular resistance zone, which we have highlighted in a range of some around 1899 till some around 1897. This trade will give an risk to reward of approx 1 ratio. 2.34. Now coming on the bearish scenario, is that if we can trigger our sale position, if we can currently trigger our sale position. Let me redraw that. Now coming on the bearish scenario, we would only and only be triggering a sale position if we see a breakthrough this particular support zone, some around 1876 till some around 1873. If we see on an 4-hourly or an 1-day chart that the market is closing below 1873, then and only we would be taking a sale position, with our entry trigger point would be 1872, with our stop losses placed around 1876, with our take profit of 1866. Trade given a risk to reward of approx 1 ratio. Of approx 1 ratio 2. Now coming on the bullish scenario, another bullish scenario where we can trigger our long position is a retest towards this particular support zone which we have drawn. If we see that the market is testing this particular support zone, we can go for a long position with our entry trigger point somewhere around 1879, with our stop losses just placed below the support zone somewhere around 1876, with our take profit of this resistance zone somewhere around 1887, giving an index reward of approx 1 ratio 2.2, 1 ratio 1 ratio 2.42, and our second take profit would be this particular resistance zone, which is some around 1892, giving us a risk to reward of approx 1 ratio 5.69. If you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing. If you like the video, do like, share and comment below. Thanks for watching.